Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we read lesson number 9 money and bank. इस लेसन में हम मनी और बैंक से रिलेटेड चीज़ों के बारे में समझेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ मनी एंड वेयर वी यूज़ इट एंड हाउ वी यूज़ इट. Many thousands of years ago there was no money. People didn't use coins. When they wanted something, they gave something else in exchange. Exchange means एक दूसरे के साथ चीज़ों को चेंज करना. You know कि पास्ट में मनी यूज़ नहीं होती थी. अगर किसी को एक चीज़ की ज़रूरत है तो उसके बदले में दूसरे को वो चीज़ के साथ चीज़ को एक्सचेंज किया जाता था. द गुड वाज नॉन एज बार्टर. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंजिंग गुड्स वाज नॉन एज बार्टर. दिस इज हाउ बिजनेस वाज डन लॉन्ग एगो. हाउएवर गोइंग बिजनेस इन दिस वे वाज समटाइम्स डिफिकल्ट. पीपल could not always take 10 cows and a sack of grain every time they went shopping. In the 7th century BCE, before the Common Era, BCE stands for before the Common Era, Lydians, people from Lydia and country near Greece, invented money. Who invented money? The people of Lydia. The Lydians had plenty of gold. Because they have plenty of gold, when they need anything, they give someone a piece of gold and then they buy those things. Traders began to use pieces of gold as money. Today we use the word trade to describe buying and selling goods and services. Goods are called people, and business that make goods are called the producers, and the people and the business that buy and use goods are called consumers. Later on, coins were produced in silver, copper, bronze and other metals. The coins had pictures or writing on them to show where they came from. The image or name of the rule of that time. These coins had a high value. In the past, the people used the coins like this. Much later, because coins were heavy and not easy to carry around, paper money was invented. After this, the coins were heavy and people are not easy to carry them, so they invented paper money. Chinese were the first people to print and use paper money from 600 CE onwards. This is the paper money and these are coins. For many years, each person with an account was given a checkbook. This is the check people is writing on it. They, instead of paying large amount of real money, they wrote check. The money was transferred from one person's account to the other person's account. One may also use a credit card instead of money. A credit card is a small plastic card issued by a bank. It allows the holder to make purchases on credit. Credit means buying something and paying for it later. Credit cards are also known as plastic money. Another way to draw money is ATM card, means automatic teller machine, which gives you the money when you type in the right information. Have you seen your parents use an ATM? You here look the picture of State Bank of Pakistan. Students, read this lesson carefully and learn about how money is invented and how people use and transfer money to each other. Okay, Allah Hafiz.